Good morning, Mr. Harsh.
Good
This is
morning.
Karthik. I am speaking from Indian Textile Journal, and as a part of video interviews, we have selected Embee, which has been with ITJ for a long time now. So, can we start with the interview?
Yeah, sure. Thank you for inviting me on this panel. Yeah, I'll be delighted to answer your questions and share my views.
Sure. Since everyone knows about Embee and Embee Group, we've been taking a lot of interviews before. I'm not going into the introduction of Embee and all. People already know about Embee Group. So I would like directly start with what are the market prospects for Embee's products in India, and how do you plan to position these products?
Uh, well, MB has been in the market for over 64 years now and has
Yeah.
a well-known presence in not only India but also in over 35 countries worldwide. Starting with the textile industry in 1956, today we are into manufacturing complete preprint, print, and post-print solutions for textile rotary printing. So this is a very broad perspective of the kind of products and solutions that we are offering. So talking about the products, we are focusing towards our most successful product, which is the rotary printing machine, of course, screen preparation systems, color preparation systems, and other accessories for rotary printing. We are also the first company to launch a product called laser stripping machine for textile rotary screens. And we are also one of the largest manufacturers and suppliers of spares and consumables for rotary printing.
Can you brief us about the marketing strategies that you applied in order to stand out of the competition?
At MB, our values are innovation, efficiency, and growth. If you see through these 60 years, we have believed in innovation and we have kept on adding new products and solutions to our portfolio, offering solutions which are focused on increasing efficiency and value in textile rotary printing for our customers. So as far
Right.
as competition is concerned, innovation is our key strength. Besides, we've also expanded our customer base worldwide in over 35 countries and not just India alone. Most textile printing factories in major textile countries know MB quite well.
So you were talking about which are your stronger markets globally?
Well, there are several markets in different parts of the world, and they are owing to the logistical convenience. They have been catering to different markets. Let's say we have our spread in the Asian region. We are there's a lot of basically textile is scattered more towards the developing countries since it's a highly labor intensive industry. So if you talk about the Asian countries, we have Indonesia, we have Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, we have a lot of other countries in Asia. Uh, we have, if you talk about Africa, then there's Tanzania, there's Kenya, there's Ethiopia, Uganda, and so forth, and many other countries. We have Egypt, we have Turkey. If you talk about Europe, Turkey is one of the great big textile markets. Then there's a lot of textile industry also scattered in the Southern America, which caters to the North American markets like Brazil, Peru, Colombia, and so forth.
So in rotary printing, what are the major challenges faced by MB, and how do you propose to overcome them?
There are several challenges faced by the textile factories, but I will like to quote about two major challenges that have been to deliver quality and consistency owing to highly labor-intensive processes that become often difficult to manage. So we have been working on offering solutions that cater to these challenges. For example, screen preparation requires screens being prepared correctly and consistently. Color preparation requires the right form and shade of color paste that is to be printed on a consistent basis. Similarly, ensuring a consistent accuracy of perfect fitting during the printing of fabrics on a printing machine is also a major challenge. Often, when customers are not able to control these multitude of challenges, they have to deliver products which have at a lower price because of the shortfall of the parameters they are not able to achieve, and they lose significantly in value. Our aim is to help our customers create better value. So at the present moment, that is what our major proposition is. And over the past 60 years, also we have been focusing our ideology and our philosophy to to help our customers increase their value by overcoming these challenges.
Right. So, as you know, modernization and automation is the buzzword right now, and it is increasing across industries. So, what is the significance of this for MB?
Automation serves to increase the efficiency of textile processes.
Right.
And MB's vision is, of course, to create innovative products and solutions that increase efficiency and value. So this increased efficiency could be measured in terms of higher output, better quality, improved quality, reduced costs, optimum usage of resources, maintain the consistency, and so on. So these are different parameters in measuring the efficiency. The textile industry in general is highly labor-intensive industry, and role of automation is to reduce the dependence of labor for certain processes and make better use of the labor workforce.
Right.
So as far as printing is concerned, we aim to create better value for our customers by providing them solutions that fulfill the boundaries on a consistent basis. The global competition is also constantly asking for better efficiency, and hence automation shall play a central role over here.
So, my next question is like, um, uh, what makes your product different from what the competitors are offering?
If we come back to the earlier uh, part of how we are different from the competition, innovation is our main strength. We instead of trying to merely mimic somebody, we try to keep our focus that we want to help our customers increase their value. So we believe in offering solutions that will help and optimize their use of resources and increase in efficiency in different ways. Maybe they can increase the production, maybe they can increase their quality, maybe they can reduce the costs. So that is the USP of MB. Every product that we design and offer is considered with these aspects in mind.
So, how is the demand for your technologies that offered by MB? And what are some of the emerging trends in the industry?
Textile is one of the basic industry and it is here to stay, although its form may change over a period of time. At this moment, it is hard to say what are the trends now because this is a very challenging period for the textile factory in the present situation amid the COVID-19 crisis. So things will take a different turn in the coming months. It's hard to predict immediately right now, but that could be a lot of reorganizing among the strategies and how customers are actually managing their current businesses, because
Right.
this is a great time of fiscal prudence and managing making the best use of their resources right now.
Right.
So we have to wait for a couple of months and see how the new trends will emerge.
So my next few questions will all be relating to COVID, like you already started with it. So is your production going on right now, or what is it like? What is the situation right now with NB?
Yeah, we are following all the lockdown measures right now, and we are. I believe that this lockdown actually has should be seen is also seen as an opportunity rather than just a crisis. So there were so many things. If we take it as positively, there are so many. We never had this kind of time before. We used to do the same things every day.
Yeah.
We do the same activities every day, go to work, and the same kind of. We never had this kind of time to think about something else, and this is a great
Right.
time to reanalyze and to reorganize our strategies. So this has definitely affected our business for sure, but right now the time is to see how we can do the best using the resources we have in hand, limited
Right.
resources we have, and that is how
Right.
our new strategy and that is how we are working actually right now.
So, like I was talking to a lot of other companies also, I came
Yeah.
across labor shortage will have an impact on the business. So what, according to like, how will it? How, what do you want to say about labor shortage?
Yeah, that is also one of the things that we have been discussing. And if we, because of the issue and problems of migrant workers, which may not be able to come for the coming months for a certain period of time, textile factories could have shortages of labor, and in these situations we are trying to design or focus on offering solutions that can help the textile factories so that they do not have to depend on labor, and how they can get the maximum usage out of their processes with reduced labor by employing better processes, by employing better solutions, and using automation and certain products that we would be offering to them.
So in this situation, what are your expectations from the government?
Well, I strongly believe that policies are a core part of the growth of an industry. So there's a lot about policy making, and we have the opportunity right now. India has the opportunity to attract global investments from different countries who are seriously thinking of shifting their base from China. And if this opportunity is tapped at the right time, in the right way, then this could be a really uh, a really great thing in disguise, I would say, for the coming years.
Yeah. So what kind of challenges are you anticipating when you resume your business post lockdown?
Uh, there will be challenges as far as operations of limited number of operations would be useful because of the reduced workforce. Fiscal prudence is going to be one of the biggest challenges. This is a time when everyone, including us, will have to do an introspection about every major expenses that a company is bearing, and every cost will have to be reanalyzed and filtered through a magnifying glass. Inventory control will be a major challenge, and it is also going to be, or every industry will have this major challenge of managing the inventory, and they should be managing in the best possible way, because if we have to survive in the long run. So, but these are often the things that we have never done in the past, and
Right.
right now, I would say these are positive things that have been forced upon us. So if we take it positively, and if we do it in the right way, we could emerge, and everyone could emerge much stronger and better than what they were previously.
Yeah, yeah. So you were talking about inventory problems and all. So how do you plan to overcome those?
It's not just inventory, basically managing the working capital, because managing working capital, managing inventory, we have to be very, very sharp in about, we have to do a lot of analysis on every on the per rupee sale of product that we are doing, and the
Right,
cost attached to it, and that has to be done on a very microscopic level in not just us but in every industry and every factory.
right.
So that is how the strategy should be, and that is how
Yeah.
we'll have to address things. But that
So
will
have
also help us eventually to make the best use of our resources. Let's say if a product requires A, B, C, D, E, F, six different types of resources,
right,
let me put it this way: what is the best product or solution you can offer that requires just three resources?
right,
So if we have a strategy, something like this, we could emerge something better and stronger when we come out of this crisis.
right. So have you recalibrated your growth plan due to COVID?
We are doing a lot of brainstorming with our colleagues on video conferencing like this, and we are reorganizing our strategies. We are working on a different plans and strategies. I know it's too early to predict, but yes, this is a great time for introspection, and we are doing a lot of analysis and data analysis right now, and trying to draw a tentative growth plan for the coming months.
Right. Harsh, I'm done with my questions. Do you need to add anything else?
I think this should be good for now, I guess. Is there something that you have concern that you'd like to know more about it?
No, I'm done with everything. So
Okay.